I've actually learned a lot from you because the first video that we did, that was my first time directing.
This journey has really transformed my ideas, my perspectives. It has really set me up for success.
I can't really imagine, a better quality of person to teach others how to function in this industry, because he comes without an ego. He comes really trying to help you out, not just on a professional level. He also helped me out a lot. I moved to Los Angeles to pursue this mentorship, and he helped me outside of work. Really, everything that I can say about the men in terms of mentorship is really positive.
Because I've learned how to direct my own music videos.
Overall, Ron is such a funny guy, awesome, very wholesome, and he's one of the best teachers I've had.
Any chance you get to work with Creative Headquarters is a dream come true.
And the good news is Ron will meet you wherever you are at your skill level.
Sometimes it just takes somebody to be like, it's okay. We're gonna get through this, and you can take that deep breath and exhale and then succeed. His patience and his belief that you can figure this out. You need someone that's well experienced, but you also need someone that's patient and kind.
And I think that that's what Ron does. He really makes and creates possibilities for other people while he's igniting that flame inside of them.
The way he's just allowing us to do our thing, explore ourselves in the field, and to help us troubleshoot any issues that we have, whether it's something technical or within ourselves.
He comes with the highest of recommendations. That's what has helped me in my particular studio business and production business. So highly recommended, all the way top notch. Thanks, Ron.
Creative Headquarters, Ron Lamar McPherson, thank you for your impact on my life.